Can you accidentally kill someone with a hammer? I know if you hit them in the head, you can actually hurt them really bad. And then obviously if you hit them in the nuts. If I find an infected, I will hit them in the head and I will hit them in the nuts.
2 hours later.
Oh, she's definitely infected? Okay. Well, my buddy here, you see this thing? Get fucked! Ain't that a kick? Knock out a survivor with a medical hammer. And she came back up! Hold on. Bro fucking dies. Ready, 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 ready. Ready, ready, ready.